Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious egg muffin. It was so good and quite filling. It is perfect for breakfast. I want you to sit back, relax and watch me cook. So for this recipe, you need about 6 or more large eggs, depending on the size of your family. You also need some onion, some tomatoes, some green bell peppers, some sausages. You also need some Scotch bonnet, blended or chopped, some garlic and ginger, some seasoning cube and salt to taste. So you're going to start off by chopping the sausages, the bell peppers, the tomatoes and onion. Chop them into small cubes and set it aside. So once you're done chopping, start by transferring the tomatoes into a bowl and break in the eggs. I would like to give you some tips so you don't make the same mistake I made, okay? Why breaking in large number of eggs? I would advise you break in a separate bowl before you transfer to the bowl you're going to be using. Break it one by one. That way, if you have a bad egg, it does not spoil the rest of the good ones, okay? Now look at what happened here. The shell fell into the eggs. And my saving grace is these eggs were already washed before I put them into the fridge. So once that is done, add the Scotch bonnet to taste, the chopped onion, the chopped sausage and bell peppers. Add your seasoning cube, ginger and garlic paste, and salt to taste. I'm so sorry, there is no definite measurement for this. You're just going to season according to taste, okay? So once you're done mixing everything together, the next step is to scoop into a muffin pan, which you've already oiled. You can use a cooking spray into the oil pan before you scoop into the eggs, all right? So once I was done filling up the muffin pan, I added the rest of the chopped ingredients just for garnish, and this was absolutely beautiful. The next is to wipe out any mess on the pan and bake. I baked at 200 degrees and this took about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm so sorry, I'm not really sure, but you have to bake this until when you stick in a toothpick into the middle and it comes out clean. That is how you will know that your egg muffin is ready. Now look at that. It was so hot. Finally, it was ready. Look at that. Look at that. This was so beautiful. This looks so good and inviting to eat. Guys, I strongly advise you try out this recipe. It was that good. It was so filling. You can have this with bread. You can make sandwich with this. You can have it as a meal on its own. It was so good. Now look at that. It was so hot as well. It was so hot. Please allow it to cool off so you don't burn your fingers, okay? So thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And until I come your way next time, this is your girl Onyinye's Kitchen signing out. Bye for now.